A nigga has to be 9 inches and up for me.
Yes.
You have to fit this. Let me show you.
Okay. Yes. It's sex.
You have to fit magnums. If
yes.
you don't fit magnums, I don't talk to you.
Word. Yeah, make it rain, bitch. Yeah.
You gotta make it rain.
Make it rain, bitch, and then make it rain on me, bitch.
Like I only like 9. If you a black nigga, you have to step it up. I want money and dick.
Right.
He's not gonna just come out with his dick for me. No. And a white guy, that's the same when he goes to me. Cock and money.
Right.
Like I need both. Like
right.
it takes two to rock Brielle's life.
I know that's
one
right.
is nothing. A dick, a bitch. I can have any dick if I want.
Right.
Go to the bar.
Right.
I got it.
Dick.
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 She got it.
I got it.
Word.
Cause she got her own though.
Right.
You know, so
right,
she
right.
could get dick anytime.
Right. She don't gotta go much behind the bushes.
No,
or off of
behind the bushes, behind the hospitals.
Lyle Lab.
Lyle.
Girl, like take it home,
Lyle.
bitch. Get a room, bitch.
Take it home. I can take it home.
Yes, take it home, mama.
I can take it home.
Girl, you are too much
it's
for
really
television.
nothing.
Disrespectful, and I see we
Wait. Hold up, wait a minute, you guys. Can we believe it? First of all, we are blessed here at Real Talk Season 3 to have the one and only here back with us again. The one and only Brielle, Chloe, motherfucking Chanel. How are you doing?
How you doing?
You look gorgeous, mama. With your gaga hair, how you feeling tonight?
So lovely.
You just like a Barbie doll, right?
Just like a Barbie doll. That's me, Brielle, Chloe, Chanel, Barbie.
Yeah, that's the Barbie.
Well, Southwest Barbie. Yeah.
I love it, Southwest Barbie. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're over here. Your apartment looks great, mama.
Thank
I
you.
love your pink theme going on around here.
Very much.
And first off, we gotta say, I gotta let you know, you have so many fans on YouTube. Like, you literally have thousands of hits with your videos combined on here. There's people everywhere I go, people are asking me about you, asking when are you gonna come back on my show. So here you are. How do you feel?
Hi, I'm doing good. I'm just living life. Being 21, I'm an adult now, you know, going to the bars. I don't go to the ghetto bars, you know, I just be at the white clubs.
Like which one?
Like Hush, Inca Bar, Soho's. It's called The Heat now, Vinyl or The One.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you Miss Party Animal. You're trying to get it in, huh?
Out.
Yes.
21.
Yes.
You know, a girl like me can't stay in the house.
Too hot to be in the house, mama. No, all right, so you got.
I'm not your housewife.
Never? Can't turn a hoe into a housewife, right?
You can't.
That's right, man.
I'm not a whore, but you know, I get you in.
Yes. All right, so how does it feel to have so much fucking love coming from the community and everything?
I have a lot of love coming from the community, but at the same time, a lot of girls hate me because you know I'm not into that shill shit. That pumping, it's not for me. Brielle, Chloe, Chanel when I go under the knife.
Under the knife?
Yeah, I want to be a real Barbie. Plastic implants, yes. Pussy, everything.
Yes.
You're gonna hate me. Next year, it's a new year. When this money comes, it's the rap girls. When I come out, I'm not gonna come out in no femme queen category. When I come out, parents are dropping pussies on the camera.
Yeah.
Right.
And they're gonna faint, mama.
They are gonna faint.
Oh my god, pussy on the floor?
On the floor.
You said you're gonna spread them lips?
Split. You know me.
Ready? Bitch, okay, now hold the pose, okay? Matter of fact, yeah, hold the pose right there. Get into that shit. Yes, we know you in that split,
you know what?
So yeah, I heard you split anywhere. I heard you split anywhere.
I split last week at Hush, Saturday night.
Stop it.
I was at Hush and all the white boys went nuts.
Really? That was a reaction?
They live for me.
Yes. So we be there again this week?
Yeah, every Saturdays. I don't go to no gay club. Mothers,
What's wrong with mothers?
Me there.
Why?
As a transsexual female, I've been a trainee now for 7 years, and as straight at 15 now, 21.